Okay, we are moving to the next topic, that is the Indian Constitution as a living document. What is the name of the portion? Indian Constitution as a living document. Means what is it is written in the Indian document, or how it is giving life to the people. The foundation of all the movements for justice and the inspiration for all the poetry and song on equality is the recognition that all people are equal, where it is written in the constitution. So many movements are there for equality, for rights, that everything it is based on Indian constitution here in India. As you know, the Indian constitution recognizes the equality of all persons. Movement and struggle for equality in India continuously refer to the Indian constitution to make their point about equality and justice for all. If you are getting the denying of fundamental rights, especially equality and justice, what we will call? We will call Indian constitution. And that is another one work, or it is written about written about the equality and justice. Is it our fundamental right or not? That you want to find out. Okay, next sentence. The fisher workers in the Tawa Matsya Sangh hope that the provision of the constitution will become a reality through their participation in this movement. How it is the constitution is becoming a reality? By participating in the movement. Which movement? The Tawa Matsya Sangh, or the work for equality and justice in the society. So the people understood that they can make the Indian constitution as a living document or the reality by participating in the movement. By constantly referring the constitution, by use it as a living document, that is something that has the real meaning in our life. We are referring the Indian constitution when we are getting the some parents are saying like that, keep quiet. What we will say? I have the right to express my points or to speak, like that. From where we are getting that one? From Indian constitution. So by that what we are saying, like that, we are quoting for wherever it is necessary or sometimes unnecessary situation also. Then by that what we are proving that Indian constitution is a living document, or it have a direct connection to our day-to-day life. In democracy, there are always communities and individuals trying to expand the idea of democracy and push for a greater recognition of equality on existing as well as new issues. So in the democracy, we are having the right to speak, right to express our feelings, like that. So what we are trying to understand what the meaning of democracy, or to understand the vast meaning of democracy. At the same time, we are trying to understand or get the recognition from for equality. It may be existing, or some inequalities are there in the society. From that we want to overcome, or we want to improve our equality in the society, or we used to think about the new issues what is arising. For example, now about the cyber crimes and like that things. It is the recent events or that is started, and nowadays we can see many people, fraud people, they are trying to cheat the people by using the social medias or mass medias, like that. So we want to make the laws related to cyber crime and other things. Now we are already, India government made that cyber laws and other things. From by that what we are doing, we are trying to solve the issues, emerging issues also in the of the society. Then we can see here over 1,500 people attend a public hearing in Lucknow in 2001 to protest violence against women. And in which year? 2001. Over 15 cases of the violence against women were heard by the jury of admitment of women who played a role of judges. And these people jury highlights the lack of support in the legal system for women who seeks justice in such cases, domestic violence or like that. Many cases, ladies, they are not getting proper legal support, like that. In 2001 the judiciary understood that, and for because of the case taken by they heard about the violent it happened like that cases. They heard from that, they judiciary understood that there is no enough support system for the women to get justice, those who are seeking justice from the court or from the community, like that. Then what they done, issues of equality are central to a democracy. In this book we have tried to highlight issues that pose a challenge to an idea of equality in democracy. In the book we are trying to think in many way, market there also, in media also we thought about, are we getting equality or not, like that we was thinking. Starting of the book 2 up to here end chapter, we was thinking about the equality, how we are getting inequalities in the society, how people are suffering inequalities, then how we can overcome that also we was thinking. These, as you heard, include the privatization of health services in the country. We thought about the public facilities, that is making the what we can say private to the in the hands of the private people. Then increasing the control that business houses exert on media and many things. It is in all the business nowadays, it is supporting or influencing the media, and in media also playing sometimes good role, sometimes bad role in the society. The low values given to women and their work, that also another problem. If the ladies and gents are working in the same institution and ladies are not getting the same payment, or they are getting the compulsion to do overwork and other things, and the low earnings made by the farmers who was grown cotton, and these issues sustainably affected poor and the marginalized communities, and therefore concern economic and social inequalities in the country. And what all issues we are thinking, it may be water or business or media, everything usually getting the bad effects maximum to the poor people. So what should be our concern? We should try to think together economic and social inequalities of the country. Okay, we will continue in next video.